The B screw on the rear derailleur controls the angle, that is the distance between the pulley wheel teeth and the teeth of the large cog. The B screws should be set so that the pulley wheel is approximately 10 millimeters from the teeth of the largest cog. This will prevent the teeth from wearing against the cog itself and give you the most efficient position for shifting. The B-screw is set at the time of installation of the derailleur and cassette and need only be changed if you're changing the size of the cassette to a smaller or a larger cassette, at which time you may need to change the derailleur to a shorter or longer cage derailleur. The barrel adjuster can help fine-tune the shifting. If you notice some difficulty or hesitation shifting from one cog to a smaller cog, turn the barrel adjuster in maybe 1/8 of a turn. Let's try shifting. If you notice some hesitation in shifting to a larger cog, as I see here, turn the barrel adjuster out maybe 1/8 of a turn. And we should get some nice smooth shifting. You may need to repeat the process again until you get a nice smooth shift. For more information on adjusting the rear derailleur, see our videos on installing an inline gear indicator. Part 1 will show you how to initially install those indicators, but Part 2 will show you how to install the cable through the rear derailleur and how to adjust it.